In this video, I've set myself the challenge of redesigning the humble spoon in 4 different ways to appeal to 4 completely different target audiences. Each spoon will be redesigned at an aesthetic and a functional level to appeal to its respective target audience. The presentation format will be in the form of a full-page magazine advertisement, also specifically aimed at my target audience. Each design will need to carefully consider the choice of materials in addition to how the design elements and principles are used. My aim for this video is to highlight the importance of understanding your target audience. I also hope to show you just how much of an impact a target audience can have on your designs. Before we get started, let's take a moment to understand what a target audience means in relation to visual communication design. A target audience is a combination of characteristics that are used to describe the people that your design seeks to appeal to. Your target audience can be characterized as a group of people with a certain range of characteristics. Alternatively, the target audience can be expressed as a single imaginary individual with specific characteristics. This is known as a persona. In real-world design, the target audience is often identified in the scoping or briefing stage of the project. Larger corporations spend considerable amounts of money researching their target audience through things like user surveys, well before any designs are produced. The reason a target audience is important is because it allows designers to fine-tune a design specifically to appeal to their potential customers. This increases the chances of customers engaging with their product over their competitors. Characterizing a target audience can be broken down into 3 key segments: demographic, interests, and values. The demographic refers to characteristics such as the audience's age, gender, and wealth. This is a great place to start in defining your audience. Following on from this is their interests. These could be things like their taste in music and whether they like art or sport. Finally, we have their values. These are a series of values which our target audience finds particularly important. These values may be authenticity, fairness, or kindness. So, to create your target audience group or persona, you simply need to combine relevant characteristics from all 3 of these segments. Okay, so back to it. For the purpose of the challenge, and thanks to the wonders of AI digital manipulation, I have created 4 vastly different personas which represent my target audience. My goal is to design a spoon and a corresponding press ad which gains and maintains the attention of each persona by specifically responding to their demographic, interests, and values. Firstly, we have Damia. Damia is a 34-year-old. She's a new parent and is in a middle to high income bracket. Being a new parent, Damia has a keen interest in children and values safety. Damia is looking for a spoon for her 2-year-old child. Damia's child represents a secondary audience, meaning Damia will only buy a spoon which she feels will appeal to her child. In response to this, I have designed spoons. A spoon which has a large, easy grip handle which will make it easier for Damia's young child to grip onto. The form is very rounded and made from soft plastics and silicons to ensure it is safe for toddlers. The spoon is comprised of bright, bold colours to ensure it appeals to Damia's child. The advertisement uses a combination of type colour and point to gain and maintain Damia's attention. The use of bright, bold colours indicates that this product is designed specifically for young children. This gains Damia's attention. The use of casual, handwritten type, spoons, combined with a splash, maintains Damia's attention and indicates that this is a product that would be fun and interesting for her child. Now we have Damon. Damon is a 19-year-old gamer interested in new technology and gadgets. Damon values innovation and is quick to jump on board with the latest technology and functionality. In response to this, I have designed Spoon 2. This has an LED strip to light up the food when he is gaming. The spoon is Bluetooth compatible and records the number of spoonfuls that the user takes each day and records it in an app. The advertisement uses a combination of deep blues and purples depicted in dark tones along with a smoky texture to create a mysterious and science fiction style aesthetic. Fine geometric lines have also been introduced in the ground to further emphasize the tech styling. Their tilted angle also creates a sense of movement and dynamism in the poster. Now we have Danielle. Danielle is a 20-year-old university student who has recently moved out of home. Danielle values social justice and deeply cares about the environment. Danielle is of low socioeconomic status and currently values cost effectiveness. In response to this, I've designed Green Spoon, a simple, low-cost spoon made from sustainable bamboo material. Additionally, the head of the spoon can be swapped out for a smaller spoon head or a fork. This reduces wastage by allowing a single item to have multiple usages. The advertisement includes a combination of natural tones and colours to emphasise the environmentally sustainable nature of the product. These include soft, subtle, organic greens and yellows. The use of plant life further communicates this notion. The typeface has a small, quirky, rounded serifed font to create a unique point of interest while supporting the organic aesthetic of the advertisement. The messages within the design maintain the audience's attention by highlighting the socially responsible nature of the spoon, as shown through the words, "There is only one planet." Finally, we have Damien Sr. Damien Sr. is 67 years old and in a high to very high socioeconomic bracket. Damien Sr. has conservative and traditional values. He seeks luxury, opulence, and authenticity in the things that he buys. In response to this, we have produced Spectre Culinary, a spoon which echoes the traditional form and simplicity of the spoon of generations past. Its form is smooth with subtle curvature. The material is platinum, evoking a premium luxury feel. The use of two simple gold lines adorn the handle of the spoon to create a unique detail and point of interest without being overbearing. The advertisement draws on the principle of texture to create an opulent and luxurious aesthetic. The spoon is placed onto a polished red walnut textured ground to emphasize the traditional theme. The type is an old-style serifed typeface balanced centrally on the page to create a calm and sophisticated aesthetic. Words such as excellence and quality appear on the page, reinforcing the premium nature of the product. Photos of traditional craftsmen have been placed subtly in the background to create a sense of authenticity. So there you have it. We can see here just how much influence the target audience has on a design. It plays a major role in determining the treatment of design elements and principles, as well as the messaging and materials. Good luck defining your target audience.